Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by obtaining credentials and selecting the grant type. Make the first token request immediately. Configure REST-assured base URI and common headers, then build a post to the token endpoint with form params, grant type, client ID, client secret, and scope. Once done, parse the JSON response to extract access token and expires in. Make sure to store token and expiry in a simple holder, so subsequent requests can reuse it rather than fetching repeatedly during a test run. Next, implement a token manager that checks expiry and refreshes automatically. You want thread-safe lazy initialization, so parallel tests share tokens. Configure a REST-assured request specification with the authorization header populated from the manager. When using authorization code, exchange code for access token and refresh token, then implement refresh flow using refresh token before expiry. Also add retries on 401 responses. If a request returns 401, force refresh the token and replay the request once to avoid false negative. To finish, add assertions and integration tests that validate token retrieval and authenticated endpoints, and incorporate logging that masks client secret. Make sure automated runs refresh tokens and fail fast if credentials are invalid. If you hit problems, first verify system clock and token expiry, then ensure scopes and audience match the API. If a 401 persists, rotate client credentials in a safe environment and reproduce the token call with a simple HTTP client to isolate REST-assured configuration from authorization server behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.